Hey guys, made some corn crab meat cheddar fritters tonight, and they were amazing. So hope you like the video coming up. Also, check out the description down below. Has some information about cooking against cancer. Good friend Shane lost his son about 4 years ago today. So please, if you can, make a donation to Ronald McDonald House, and check out the other videos with the Cooking Against Cancer hashtag. So let me get the other stuff going on, and here come the crab meat fritters. See you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Homeowner. Today we're going to make some corn crab fritters. We have some, everything's already measured out here. I'm going to start mixing it together. The crab, something to mix it with. All right, we're going to first start with about a 1/4 cup of onion, minced. A 1/2 cup of cooked corn on the cob. Now this corn is actually from our garden. We have some right here. They're pretty small guys. Actually, some of these are cut in half. But it was pretty cool grabbing them right from the garden. So this is a 1/2 cup. Off to the side. I'm going to go about a 1.5 cups of lump crab meat. Actually went a little heavy on this, so hopefully that's not going to matter. Two eggs, and these actually are from our chickens. Add that in. Here, it's the 1/3 cup of milk. And a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm gonna mix these up. So we have a wet mix and a dry mix. These are pretty much, whew, there goes some cheese. As you can see in here. It's getting mixed up pretty well. All right, set that off to the side here. Our dry mix, we have 3/4 cup of flour. It's already in here. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. One. That was a little heavy, so I'm going to be a little light. And 2 teaspoons of Old Bay. Which we're going to use one, 2. So that's what we have there. All right, now we're going to mix this into here. So I'm going to add a little bit. Combine them a little bit here. After we're done this, we're going to let it sit in the fridge for a little while. And then we'll head out to the Blackstone. So let me finish up with this. I got to clean up in the kitchen here a little bit. And then once you're in the fridge a little while, it says 2 to 4 hours. I don't have that much time, so I hope it doesn't matter that much. I'll probably be in there for about a half hour. I'm going to make my kids some quesadillas first on the Blackstone. And once I'm done that, I'll come back in and check this. It's thickening up pretty well though. It's going to be tasty. So, as far as the consistency, I don't know if it's because I went a little heavy with the crab meat. I didn't go that heavy though. I was pretty close to a 1.5 cups. So it's like a, it's almost like the consistency of a, if you went and got a crab cake before it was cooked. So this is going to be nice. It's not going to be all drippy. Yeah, I think everything's mixed in pretty well. So here you go. See what I mean? All right. So let me throw this in the fridge, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys. Going these 3 on. Medium to low heat. It's off over here. I threw down some oil. And we'll throw these guys down. Hopefully you guys are all checking out all the Cooking Against Cancer videos today. Shane had a great idea there. I'm going to link to his channel. Make sure you check out the hashtag. Looks like I can grab. I'm just going to put all these, put this last one here. All right. So, what I'm going to do here is just kind of flatten them down. And I guess it needs a little help. Flatten it down. It wants to stick to it, so I'm just going to give a little help getting off. This guy needs to go somewhere else. See, they're already getting browned up. They're smelling terrific. I'm fighting daylight here. It's, time is it? Just about 8 o'clock here in Pennsylvania. Oh, that didn't work out. Oh, it'll harden up in a second here. Wow, yeah, it smells great. I'm gonna combine these two. No, I'm not. Yeah, we're gonna give that a minute. They're staying together pretty well. Got a bit of a pink color to them. I don't know if that's the cheese or what. Now I got this video off the recipe off of the Blackstone site. I'll put all the ingredients down in the description. But they said you want to have the mix. Once you mix it all up, how we did earlier, you want to have that in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours. I had it in the fridge for maybe 45 minutes. So I don't know if we would get any other kind of result by giving it longer in the fridge. Starting to brown up. All right, let's pop these off and we'll see you in the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back. Here's what we came up with. I'm gonna try one out here. They seem super hot. Ooh, nice and crispy. Ooh. See how it tastes. That's really good. You got the corn in there. That one didn't have much cheese in it. Do a couple pieces here. That's really good. Now some people probably like some tartar sauce. You sprinkle some lemon on there if you want. But these are great, just how they are. So leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try them out and how it comes out. But also look in the description for Treating Against Cancer. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.